2, 3.
Hi sisters! Hi Clouds! My name is Cloud, welcome back to my channel. I think I'm going to make this a thing. So we're going to make official that I'm Cloud and you're my Clouds. Today we're going to do a skincare routine and then we're going to do a makeup look. Let's start. I normally start cleaning my face. If you're interested in a skincare routine, just let me know. Yeah, to clean the products, I normally wash my face with a natural soap. I had already done that. And then after that, I go on top with this, which is to clean all the things that are still on your face. Once this step is complete, I'm going to grab these to keep my lips hydrated. Then I would usually go over with sunscreen if I'm going out to the street because I have really sensitive skin because of the acne that I've been struggling with. Or if not, I would go with this for moisturizing. It's really good for your skin as well if you have sensitive skin. I think I'm going to go with this since today I'm going to stay at home. Also guys, I want to give you a little tip. If you feel like you run out of some product or there's something left but it's not enough to cover your full face, know that you can mix products, but just make sure that you can mix those products. For example, I know that I can mix this with this. It's not going to produce any reaction and it's going to be okay because I know that this sunscreen is okay to wear on top of wherever you are wearing. If I go out, I use both of them because the sun is really dangerous for my skin. So yeah, I will use a little bit of this as well to go underneath my eyes and on the sensitive points of my face like the cheeks. I will start with my foundation. For foundation, I use the Vichy Laboratories Derma Blend Cosmetic Corrective and it says that it's gonna last for 16 hours and I use the shade 25 Nude. I've been using this foundation since I started doing makeup when I was 12. I think it's really good for my skin and it doesn't damage the skin, but I want to test some new products. So if you know any product that I should test, please comment down below or send me some emails or DM me on Instagram because I really want to improve my makeup collection and create better looks. Let's go ahead and put our foundation. We're done with the foundation. I really think this foundation does not cover everything that I would want it to cover, but it works. It does the job for the moment, but I'm looking for something else. And also I wanted to say that I'm the kind of person that uses a beauty blender to blend the foundation in. I've never tried it with a brush, but I think I might try it soon. So if you want me to do a makeup tutorial comparing my foundation, doing it with a brush or with a beauty blender, please let me know and we'll do it. Now let's head into the concealer. It's called Beauty Stick from the brand Bien in the shade 1 Light. I think I would need something lighter. Now that I have it on, we're going to go over with the same beauty blender and blend it in. So yeah, now that we have done concealer, we're going to go over with powder. I use the Too True Smooth Matte Pressed Powder. I don't know what shade is because it's not here, but if you want to guess, it's kind of new. I've never tried this product before. So we're gonna go with this brush, which is the Mio Mirror brush, the biggest one on the set. I bought a set of brushes. It's super soft and really comfortable. So yeah, let's do it. Also, I really have to clean my brushes. I'm sorry. I know every beauty guru claims that they don't wash or clean their brushes because it's so hard to do. I might just do it one of these days. Alright guys, and now that it's everything set and on place, we're going to go contouring. I'm using the Lourmar Pretty Impact Powder. I've had this for so long now, so it's like really damaged. You can tell that I've been using this a lot. So yeah, I'm going to go with this brush. I don't know where I got this brush, and it's a small brush, perfect to do your contouring because it's like this. I'm just going to grab some powder. I normally press the brush like this so it has like a little shape to make it easier and just put it on my face. To contour, I normally do like the 3 shape on my face, and I normally do like this fish face because it really helps. So done with the contouring, and now we're going to do the highlighting. I have this, which is from Essence. It's called Beauty Beasts. It's from the line that Justin Bieber did with them ages ago, and it's the shade 01. So for this I'm going to grab another brush. It looks like this, and it's a little bit bigger. It says shimmer powder, so it only gives you like a little glow. It's not too hard, and it does a pretty good job. It's pretty natural. Now that we have it on, I think I'm going to move to the eyes. So yeah, for the eyes I think I'm going to do like a brown look. So I'm going to go first with this pencil, which is eyeshadow pencil from the brand Tien, shade 09 Earth Brown. I'm going to grab this brush. I'm going to dip into this product, which is the bronzing powder. It's a life hack if you don't have brown powder. I do have brown powder, but I just want to test something out. It's really pigmented, and I'm going to go over the brown. So now that we are done doing this is what it looks like. We're going to grab this orange color, gives me like autumn vibes, shade 320 Dalai Drama. And we're going to go with this brush right here. It's really pigmented as well. We're just gonna put it on the crease. And at the end of our eye. And now we're going to grab this palette. It's the NYX Professional Makeup Cosmetic Metals Shadow Palette. I really like it. I'm really happy with it. I got it recently and it's really pretty. And now I'm going to grab this shade right here, which is kind of an orangey color like the one I used, but it's like shimmery. And we're going to do our under eye. This, which is white powder from the brand Flomar. It's like eyeshadow. If you want a tip to use that, you do it with your finger because it's much better. You're going to make the most out of it. And then we're going to go over it with the same exact orangey color eyeshadow that we used before. And now I want to give it a little bit of contrast, and I'm going to use this color right here in the middle from the palette from NYX. To make the eyeliner, I normally use the pencil. We're gonna use this one. Now we're going to go for our lashes, and to do them I will use the waterproof mascara from the brand Tien as well. And now I'm just going to do more highlighter. So for highlighter I have this palette, which it's called Candies. We're going to go with this shade right here, like champagne pink color, and we're going to apply it tip of our nose right there, in our bridge. And then we're just gonna go with the shade, this one right here, the white one, and we're going to apply it right here. And then we're just going to go with our finger, and we're going to dip into this shade right here, which is another shade of pink. We're going to go on our cheeks. So I'm just going to use this brush right here, and I'm going to go all over them. And then I'm just going to use this right here. Time for the blush. I'm using the Beauty Beast blush in the shade 1, and I'm going to grab a brush. I normally use this one for blush because it has like a different shape. And finally, the lips. For the lips, I'm going to go with this pencil from Deborah New Art Lip Liner in the shade 151. It was out of focus. Yeah. And now after I've done the lip liner, I'm just going to go with the Maybelline New York Superstay 24-Hour Color in the shade 515 Blazing Red. I super love Maybelline, and one of my dreams is to collab with them someday. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what should I do next. Don't forget to follow me in my social media, it's going to appear on the screen. I really like talking to you guys. We're creating a really awesome community. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!